Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to give you my recipe for 3-ingredient shortbread cookies. And you can make them vegan or not. So let's get started. To make these 3-ingredient cookies, I'm using 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of butter or coconut oil or margarine. Keep mixing until you can pinch it and it will stay together like that. And that's going to take about 3 minutes. Now just take a handful of the mixture and just squeeze it like that. And then flatten it with your hand. And then just reshape the outside edges. Like that. Decorate any way you like. Chocolate sprinkles, colored sugar. I put a link below on how to color your own sugar. Draw a design on. Like that. Brown sugar. Okay, I baked these for 30 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Let them cool on the tray because they're very fragile when they come out of the oven. Now there's the plain ones. And I'm going to decorate these with chocolate. And I have melted some chocolate in hot water. And I'm just going to pour it into a sandwich bag. Like that. And I'm going to cut a little tiny hole right here. And I have some here that I have allowed to set up, and I'm just going to add some details with white on the And there you have it, 3-ingredient shortbread cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.